Hey y'all. My curls is coming back. My curls is coming back. Curls coming back. Curls coming back. Girls coming back, girl. They coming back, girl. My hair growing back, girl. It's still short. Still short. And I'm not a fan. I don't hate short hair. I'm not a short hair hater. Like, I like short hair. I think it's cute. I even think it's cute on me. However, I don't want short hair right now. I want it to hurry up and grow. But it is growing. She is growing. She reaches here to the nose, and then the back, she reaches here back to the collarbone. So she's doing something. She's growing. She's definitely growing. But slow if you ask me, but fast for some. Anyway, I'm about to moisturize my hair, then I'm going to braid it up because I'm about to put some crochet braids in. So yeah, let me show you how I moisturize my hair. All right, let's moisturize. 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. We're starting back here. I'm going to be using my Bask and Bloom Essentials. So we're going to start first with the leave-in conditioner. This is the Ease leave-in conditioner. Looks like this. We're going to take 1 pump of it in our hands, and we're going to go ahead and rub it in, 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 rub it in. Okay, I might do this as a voiceover because, girl, what the hell? Rub it in until it kind of disappears. And then I'm going to go on top of that with the more moisture cream. This is for moisture, definition, and protection. I'm using it for the moisture component and not necessarily the definition component. So yeah, about that much. Do the same thing. Rub it on in. 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 Okay. All right. Gucci. Gucci, Gucci. Then I'm going to use the herbal infused hair and scalp oil. This is the one I use the most. She needs to be replaced. But I'm going to use about that much. Seal all that goodness in. And then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb, trusty dusty, and I'm going to comb through her. We're going to give her one good juice to twist. And then we're going to repeat on all 4 sections. And then I'll come back. Okay. So I blow dry this side. This side is so much harder for me because the angle. But we're going to do the top right here. But it's all good. Here she is. Here she is. Somebody braid her up. I'm not recording that part because what for? Your girl ain't that great at braiding anyway. This is not a disorder. I don't even know how I'm gonna braid it. We're not gonna talk about these braids. I could braid neater than this, but I just needed the braids to be in there quick, okay? And I also feel like with crochet, when you have like unneat braids, it helps with the naturalness of it all. The hair. Let's talk about the hair. So I got this free tress braid hair. It's synthetic. It's Soulfull curl, and the inch is 20 inch, and it's the color 1B. So it looks like this. Comes 3 in the pack. I'll show you 3 in the pack. That's the curl pattern. So yeah, that's what we're using. I'm not quite sure. I've done this before on a wig. Have I done it on my head? Yeah, I've done it on my head before too, but it was so long ago. I don't even remember. So I don't know exactly my method yet. I'm going to be figuring that out as I go, but this is what the hair looks like. I don't know if I should keep it whole like this or if I should separate the curls. I think I'm gonna separate them. And I'm not gonna, ooh, I don't know, make it kind of puffy. And I'm not gonna put too much hair, because I think that this hair is gonna expand and get big because of the texture of it. So I'm not gonna put too much hair in. So I'm just gonna take it, loop it through, and then I'm gonna pull one side through, and that's it. That's it. Keep it simple. I'm gonna try to put a lot of space in it. Like if I need to go back in and fill in more areas, then I'll do that. Because I feel like just start with less. Let me see. Let's see what it looks like if I just do a whole curl. So I'm gonna put a whole curl. All right, so I took this and I did this. All right. I think I like a better whole or separated. I feel like I gotta do a combination of both. So I'm gonna do it whole in the back. I can't see what I'm doing either. All right. We don't know what we're doing. Bundle number 2. Let's go over here. Let's just keep going. Let's keep going. I don't know how to do the invisible method. I'm gonna go one, pull it through one time, then pull it through another time, and then lock it. But I still see the knot. I don't know how to not see the knot. This ear though is, I put this braid too low. I know that much. Yes. Okay, so yeah, we looking pretty good, if I must say so myself. Number 3. Is this too much hair? I don't know. Okay, so this is like a pack and a half of hair, and then one bundle in so far. And I still have a little bit left. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Y'all. So I'm going to fill in some of these spots up here. Because it's looking a little sparse in certain areas. I have to figure out how to I gotta figure out how to hide these knots, because I don't really too much care for that look. Okay. I gotta go look in the mirror and look at the back. I feel like this side is also bigger than this side, so I might need to add some more strands over here. Hold on, let me go look at the back. I'm a side part girl. I am always gonna prefer a side part over anything, so I have to make sure that not only is the middle part good, but I gotta make sure that the side part is also good too. So we're gonna try to cut this hair. I am a little scared because I don't know, I don't want to ruin it. So we're gonna cut. I don't want it to be this long. I feel like it's too much here. I'm gonna cut the other side and then I'll be back. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's another day. It's the next day. And I cut into this hair. I cut and I cut and I cut some more into this hair. I kind of forgot I was recording because I took a phone call and then I just kind of forgot I was recording and I was cutting and cutting and cutting and cutting, and girl, this is where we landed. This is where we landed, and I actually really like it. Like, I actually really, really, really like this hair. I didn't know where I was going. I didn't know where it was going. Honestly, I could have gotten the shorter inch. I didn't have to get the 20-inch hair because look where we landed. But I didn't know how long or short I was gonna go. I feel like my sister was telling me to put more hair in here, and I feel like I could stand to put more hair in that section right there where the part is. This is what the part looks like. But I don't know. I like it. It's giving me my hair vibes. Like, if you know me, you watch my journey, if you watch my hair, like my actual real natural hair, it can look like this when it's like grown out in its full glory. So it's giving me nostalgia. It's making me feel good. It's making me feel like my hair is back. Fake it till you make it, baby. So I really like this. I like the curl pattern. The hair is soft. It's the second day I did sleep on it and everything, and I like it. I like it. I will do a better job. If I do this hair again, I will do a better job at showing you how I cut it, because I didn't know what I was doing. I'm just being for real. I was just hacking. At this hair until it gave me something that I liked. So this is what the hairline looks like. I kind of left a little bit of my edges out. I probably could add a little bit more pieces to the front. I don't think it looks too shabby. My braids were raggedy looking, and doing a hairstyle that is like natural looking. I feel like those tight braids give those like little rolls, and I didn't want that look of those little tight rolls. You know what I'm saying? So I did not really necessarily want my braids to be super neat. You feel me? But yeah, so this is what the hair looks like. I quite enjoy it. I need to redo it and actually film it properly, because I don't think I did a good job. This is my debut. Back to YouTube. And I'm a little tipsy. Hence. Let me go.